I'll guide you through how to check if someone is spying on your iPhone without needing to download expensive third-party apps or perform a total device wipe right away. If you're looking to confirm suspicious activity after a rapid battery drain or want to secure your personal data from unauthorized access and therefore need to perform a full security audit on your iPhone, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. In a world of sophisticated spyware, no iPhone is 100% immune, especially if someone has physical access. Before we get into solutions, we're going to audit the most common hacker hideouts in 4 pillars. Let's start with behavioral checks for physical clues. First, look for the physical symptoms that signal spyware is running constantly in the background. Symptom 1. Rapid battery drain and overheating. Spyware consumes significant power as it constantly records and transmits data. Note if your phone is unusually hot when it should be idle. Symptom 2. Unexpected data usage spikes. Go to Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Scroll down to your list of apps and look for any unexplained increase in data usage. This is often the spy app sending your files to an external server. Symptom 3. Strange call interference. Listen for unusual background noises like static or clicking sounds during calls, which can be an indicator that someone is listening in. Next, let's explore iOS Privacy Audit, which can be termed the built-in shields. We'll be using Apple's native security features to catch unauthorized access in real time. Symptom 4. Camera and mic indicator dots. Look for the orange dot for mic or the green dot for camera at the top of your screen. If you see them unexpectedly, swipe down to Open Control Center. It will instantly tell you exactly which app is using that resource. Symptom 5. App Privacy Report. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, and tap App Privacy Report. This gives you a detailed timeline of when apps access your camera, mic, and location. Look for any activity in the middle of the night or at strange times you weren't using the app. Another way is by checking for unauthorized access points, which are hackers' hideouts. This is where hackers get deep control. Go to Settings on your iPhone and tap the Apple ID banner. Scroll to the bottom to see a list of all devices logged in with your Apple ID. Immediately, remove any device you do not recognize by tapping on it and selecting Remove from Account. Check for configuration profiles. Malicious profiles can grant deep control. No unauthorized device is listed here. Now that you know how to audit your iPhone, if you suspect you've been hacked, then you need to take specific actions to disconnect the threat and eradicate the spyware from your device. For a deep dive into how to manage security on an iPhone, click to watch this video right here. It's dedicated to user actions after a security breach. Now that you've learned how to check if someone is spying on your iPhone, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.